Welcome everyone. This is Nichel Anderson and this is my brand, MOLIAE Beauty, and I'm with Willie. How you doing today? So we're going to talk about my product, okay? So let's first talk about the gift box, okay? So the gift box here is the MOLIAE Robe, right? And the MOLIAE bathrobe, and there's a lot of stuff in it. So go ahead and kind of get a little bit closer here so you can be able to see it. All right, so it's a lot of goodies. You're gonna lift that up just a little bit, and of course you get the cards, okay, for that, and then you get the you get goodies in that. So you get goodies in that, and let's see, yes, and you get the robe, okay. Now I might not have time to put this on today, but you get the blue robe, okay. So you get that, all right. And let's see what else. Oh, and you get this. Okay, this is a hand towel. It's very nice. You're gonna open that for me?
I got you.
Okay, so you get that. You put this over here. Okay. And you get the option to have either the Ankh. Yeah, this is a nice MOLIAE Beauty. MOLIAE Beauty MAaT Gold Collection. And then you can either have one or the other, the blue River Nile collection, or the MOLIAE Gold collection. So I just put two in here now, but this is how they look. Isn't that gorgeous? So they'll open up and they'll get that, put that right there. And then if it's a couple, you're gonna get two robes, okay? Oh. Yes, now this one right here has the MOLIAE Beauty on it. It can come personalized on the back, or you can get one that's just plain. So I'm gonna put that on, or it's really gonna help me. And then this is the soap. So you get the soap in this, all right? And this is from Egypt, it's really good. So this is a loafer. And what it does, it helps to irrigate.
Like dry skin.
Yeah, for dry skin and all that.
Yeah.
And so look at that, isn't that nice? And it's made from Egypt, you'll get that. You get one of those. You get one of the hand towels here.
Okay.
And let's see. Oh, and then you get the slippers.
Slippers.
So if you're a couple, you get two of those. And let's see. And of course, you get this big, nice luxury. How about that? Luxury tub pillow. Isn't that great? So you get that. And it sucks to the back of the tub.
So okay.
Very nice, very nice. Right. So you get that. So all this comes into the MOLIAE Beauty bath collection, right? And it's just a way to say that you love the person or what have you, and you know, it could be just for you and a couple.
Right.
So what we're gonna do is see, I'm gonna put that here. Maybe you can open that up and you can try that on, and we can put it on camera so you see how it looks. So we're gonna do that there. And again, you can get either the Blue River Nile collection, or you can get the MOLIAE MAaT collection. You can get that. So that's one of that. And then if you're a couple, you'll get two of these, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put one on right quick, and then we're gonna demonstrate next. You can put that over there. We're gonna demonstrate next the milk oil, okay? But for right now, we're gonna look at this here. Just to kind of give you a look of how this looks. That's the goodies. All right. So we're gonna put this on right quick. Thank you. Now it's one size fits all. Let's look at that.
Oh, it certainly fits.
Yes, look at that. Look in the camera. See that? Isn't that nice? Don't that fit you real good? So it's one size fits all.
Get you grown and sexy on.
Right. Now you do get one of these. So this is the camel milk. All right. Now this here is the regular Royal Eternity. So both of them has camel milk, except this comes out milk. So if the cameraman come in a little bit closer here and kind of look into here, how that looks. Let's see. So you can see how it looks. You see that?
And this is the one with the actual camel milk.
Yeah, now both of them has camel milk. This one right here, how we made it, is more of the infusion of the milk is going to come out more compared to where I have a lot of oils in this one. It's going to get oils in this one too, but you see that it's going to come out like a milk. I just want to make sure that's in the camera. That's how that's going to look. And this right here is going to be more as an oil. So this right here is the regular Royal Eternity. This is going to be the Royal Eternity 2, okay? So this right here, and of course I got to open it up, but nonetheless, you open it up, there you go, boom. And then this is gonna come out like an oil. You see that?
Oh, okay, yeah.
But the camel milk isn't infused with it. So basically, both of these is basically what type of experience that you want. And you want to be like the kings and queens before, then get this one, okay? This is it. And this one can be kings and queens too, because you have a different experience. You'll feel the oils and different on this, but it comes out in the oil. They both have camel milk, except this how it's infused. You want to see more of that milk consistency. All right, so that's done. Now we're going to talk about. Look at this. You get this in the MOLIAE gift box. Isn't that wonderful?
That is a
yes.
box.
Yes. Now let's look at these boxes over here. Get those boxes over here. We can look at that right quick. Thank you so much. We're in this new space here. So these are the gift boxes that you can get. This would be for the pink, Queen Palace.
That's female.
Yes.
Definitely.
This right here is part of our Serum. So that's the MAaT for the queen there.
It's for the brothers.
Brothers, king and me.
No.
Right.
Exactly.
Right. So that's for that. Isn't that nice?
And then the colored ones are universal.
Well, yeah, like the gold and the this one here. You're right. It's going to be universal, so they could be for a king or a queen. Okay.
Right.
And then this right here, how it looks inside. I always do the boxes inside looking like this. We have that blue Nile type color. Okay. And every other boxes, and the product goes right in there. All right. So let's go ahead and move over here. Okay. All right. All right. Thank you. Okay. So this right here, we're going to take a look of the product. So we're going to zoom in here. This is going to be the Ankh Ra, okay? And we're going to kind of lean. There you go. So this here is the Ankh Ra, okay? So this is what you really want, okay? This is the first product that I created. It has everything in it. That's why we call it Ankh Ra 360. So it's a moisturizer. It could be for your feet. It could be for a king and queen. It could be a toner. It could be all of that. So this is the first product. Everything you don't. If you say what I'm gonna get, this is one you're gonna get. Yeah. And with the gold collection, the Aspen Gold collection, this is the Royalty Gold. So you could. This is a hand cream. This could be for a king and queen, and it's very nice inside. Look at that. Well, let me take all that out right there. Sorry about that. And look how that inside. Yeah, go ahead and take you some. Put that right on it. You know what? You lied. Let me get your hand right there. Put that in camera. Show his hands. Look how how that changes up that fast. Look at that. Look at that. Put that right there. And you just rub that in. Okay, rub that goodness in. Look how that's shining. Yeah. All right, so that's how you do it. Now, each of our collection right here is going to have a spray, okay, a body spray. So that's like a toner. You can put on your feet, your face, and everything. So this is the gold collection. So you always will get the body oil, the body spray, and the cream. So then we're going to come over here, and now we're going to look at the blue collection. So this right here is the Nile River Breeze. That's my body oil, and this is part of the Blue River Nile connection there. And you also get a spray, and you also get a nice. It's called the Kingo Ways body cream. And again, you can use this for a hand cream, your foot cream. You can use for a body lotion. It replaces that. Okay. All right, so this is the females, of course, not the females, but I got some of my females over here. But this right here is for the females. This is the hair growth oil, okay? Now you can use this anytime, so don't delay. And this right here helps to have your hair grown, okay? So you can grow your hair, all right? And it has chrysanthemums in there. Okay. Now for the guys, you can go ahead and look that up.
Yeah, get in here. Let's look at some of these things. Guys, you know we need to take care of our lips, because sometimes, you know, we don't do a good job. These are lip oils. And what they do is, you know, keep us moist. We have a problem with having our lips a little, you know, chapped and whatnot. So sometimes we got to make sure we look good for the ladies. But definitely you want to try these lip oils. All of them are very, very good and come in different, you know, flavors, if you will. And they are very, very good. Now, this is the King and Me hair growth oil as well. Some of us brothers, we need to put some of this on our hair as well, so we can, you know, grow our stuff back, get that hairline straight.
Getting the 16 ounce or the small ounce?
It's available in both. Some of us have them bigger problem than others. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay. So, and this is part of the King and Me line. So here we got right here for you brothers with the James Harden, Rick Ross kind of beards. You know, you can put your beard balm. I had a beard and I put this stuff on. Excellent stuff. Excellent. I mean, just makes it soft, manageable. You know how we want it soft. We don't want to be scruffy like a Brillo pad. This is the balm. So that makes it oily and fresh and looking good. And as well as we have our soaps.
Right. That's the one that just came out with the gold in it too. And that's the Kunzu. He was a king in Egypt.
Okay.
So that's new. So definitely look into getting that.
And you got to remember, all our stuff, it comes with that Egyptian flair, that motherland flavor. So you guys, you know. And then this one here is our King and Me face oil. So, you know, brothers, we also need to put our lotion on our face. And but this one here is a balm you put on your face, and it gives you a nice oil, you know, not too oily, not too shiny, but it gives you a real nice, soft facial look to yourself, okay? I'm kind of like mine. Okay. And this, the King and Me, this is the face and body spray. Now, the smell on this is the, what's that?
You got polo in it too, polo red.
Polo red.
And you
Okay.
got frankincense in there.
Okay.
And that's really good, like you just said, for the body, for
Right.
the spray, like a tone, like a finisher, what have you.
Okay. Okay, man. So, yeah, you know, you want to make sure you smell good for the ladies, you know, after you work out or whatever.
Right.
Get out of the shower.
Right.
Use definitely the oil and the spray, okay? And one more, definitely, brothers, body scrub. This will help get all that little flaky stuff off of us. You know, we sometimes we get a little ashy and we don't do well. Well, this will definitely do it for us. And it comes with it got the almond oil, so you know that penetrate deep into the skin. Give it a nice oily, smooth look to it. It's gonna it really do you well, so you can get all that little rough stuff off of you. You know how we are. And this one, facial serum. This one goes deep into your skin and it gives you that really that shiny look. Is it?
And you put it on at night.
Yeah.
And then by the morning,
right.
it's a whole different ball game.
Exactly, exactly. So you want to make sure I mean, I'm not saying looking like a female, but you know, we gotta look good, brothers. You know, it's that time for us now. You know.
Yes.
All right. So and then this is another royal beard oil here. This is somewhat similar to the.
Yeah. Now this right here is the shaving oil. I meant to say that. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
This is the shaving oil. If you're shaving, then you'll use this one right here. And the one he got in his hand, if you have a beard or like a goatee, like goatee, you know what I'm saying?
Goatee.
Yeah. Goatee, like little hair. Then you'll use this one, the one that he got in his hand.
Right,
Put that in the camera, right, Craig? All right. Or you'll use this one if you don't. And this is very good. All right. So it has both argan oil. Argan oil is from Morocco, and we have that imported in. So it's very nice. So definitely check that out, depending on what you're wearing. Okay. All right. All right. Hold on.